Alright, so this is what I got. 2015 Harley Davidson Street Bob. I also have purchased some pots. I got an Arlen Ness black monster sucker, and I got a TBR exhaust. And then I have also purchased a Dynojet tuner to go with it. So, let's get to unboxing, I guess. We'll start with the TBR exhaust because it does take the longest to install. So here we go. Look at that beautiful packaging. Everything about it is just perfect. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Got the TBR exhaust logo there. And look at the welds on that. But I guess well, for the magic of YouTube, let's just unbox everything. Okay. I don't know how they do that on YouTube, but nope. For crying out loud. Okay, well, I guess we'll unbox this the old-fashioned way, because editing is just not my thing. Yeah, just kidding. Anyway, there it is, all unwrapped. Stainless covers. I left everything in this bag right now, that way I don't lose it while I'm taking that exhaust off. But there's the... Jeez, scratch it already. Anyway, look at the welds on that, if it'll focus. Amazing. I give it to two brothers for this. And the exhaust here, just immaculate. I'm really impressed. Anyway, TBR exhaust. Let's get to installing. Everything's good. Got the O2 sensors. There's the front. There's the back. All my tools laying out. This is what comes in the box. You got screws. Oh, let me get rid of that back. But I like how they got this. Comes with the copper washers for your O2s if you're using O2s and if you're not. So they include all that. And then the spring deal whenever you put the exhaust on. I'll show you that whenever I get to it. But I just wanted to stop and show you guys everything that comes with it. Oh, and instructions, because if you're a loser, you need those. Just kidding. Not sure if anyone really needs to see this, but the copper washer goes on the back of that like that. I'm wearing gloves, that way I don't get my oily fingers all over the exhaust, but you just take that and then add a little bit of anti-seize and then screw it in there. Wow, my video is terrible. Alright, well, there it is. 100% TBR. Super freaking clean. Oh man, I am so freaking happy. Now I get to do intake.